Hi Aries, this is your career money reading for June 2020. Let's see how the remaining days of June month goes for you. This is based on Sun, Moon, Venus rising. So just let's check it out. I've shuffled these cards before. Let me shuffle it 4 times, so twice, 4. Let's go. So the first card, Ace of Swords. So this is like you're trying to manifest something new, in which the universe actually, or you have the support of the universe. Maybe there's an idea or a business or a job that you are looking forward to. Maybe you're trying to manifest. So this is a beautiful card, very beautiful card for career. It is showing either something new or is definitely coming. Maybe this is just the starting of a new business or a new job. So, first card. Okay, so this is Nine of Swords. Now this card shows like you are feeling restless. You're not able to sleep. It gives you that anxiety regarding a situation. Maybe you are waiting for something, decision to make, or you are in a kind of a doubt, or there is waiting, there is a decision to be made, and that makes you restless. Maybe there may be some delays, or you are thinking about the financial aspect. So all these thoughts is just showing your present state of mind, that you are into some kind of restless energy. Okay, so this is Six of Swords. So definitely from here, what I see is that you will move to a calmer. Here you got this restless energy, but you're going slowly and slowly as the month progresses. You will move towards the calmer. The things there will be clarity of situation as you have this Ace of Sword, and you will move towards this calmer thoughts, and you're trying to move away from something. Basically it's about clarity of a situation which is making you move towards the calmer waters. Okay, Four Swords. I think Aries, you are waiting for a decision, or basically this is a card of just giving yourself some time. So as this Mercury retrograde is just coming, like from June 7 to 11 July, and Venus retrograde is going on, so it's till 25th June. So I think it is good that you are taking a pause and you're resting. You're trying to heal yourself from this energy slowly, and it's a good thing. You are trying to heal yourself from maybe some previous things which did not work out for your career, or you weren't that happy with the things that were going. But there is definitely something new coming in. You're just taking a healing is good in this phase, like taking a pause, introspection is good. Because of these retrogrades, you really need to think carefully before taking a step. You must think it twice, thrice. So this is it. One more card. This is okay, Queen of Swords. Now this is like ace, you got an ace of swords and there is a queen of swords. So basically you are very clear in your thought, and you want to just what I feel is that you want to move towards a certain thing, like maybe there's a situation wherein you are in a job and not satisfied, and you want to do a business side by side. You want to create a business. So this gives you this thought that you must make yourself, I think this energy is trying to tell you that instead of you must first be clear of what you want in your life. Like you must see that what are you wanting to do, so you can think like you are going through you need to check your financial transaction, and you need are you thinking of a relocation or a career change? So better get the clarity of situation, Aries. This is what I feel is the Queen of Swords energy is saying you, like then that's it. We'll pull out two more cards and find out like what could be the likely outcome. See, there is some what I feel with these cards, that you all these cards that you have got, Aries, is that there is definitely a new thing you are looking forward to in a job or a business. So clarity of thought needs to be there. You must know what you want to do, and definitely I can see that things are working for you. Maybe sometimes you do get restless, but again you're moving towards the calmer and you are healing yourself, and so it's a good way. Like people are bound to go through certain restlessness energy in the kind of phase we are going on now regarding money or a career situation. So we'll pick up two more cards and see what could be the likely outcome. But for whatever you want to work, Aries, you should start anything that you're looking forward to, you should start planting the seeds now. Obviously this will not start bearing fruit immediately, but during the another after July, I think these retrogrades, and so July ends from you can see some results coming in. So oh great, so this is the likely outcome. So whatever you are thinking, Aries, 10 of Pentacles, I mean this is the money card. So whatever you after the clarity of the situation and think deep thinking, you get the 10 of Pentacles card. So you actually want a very strong foundation regarding your financial condition, and I think you are working towards it. So this is the card of money, luck, abundance, prosperity. So surely this will this new venture or the new thing that you are working towards will take you towards this immense prosperity. So let me pull one more card. Okay, 8 of Rods. Obviously you have a lot of ideas and communication. I think this is like what to do kind of way, because you need this, you got this 8 of Pentacles. So right now this will be the likely outcome, and this is right now there's lot of communication and lot of things going and coming back and forth communication, or maybe there are this is the lot of ideas coming to you how to make your venture or the job or a business successful. So this is the likely outcome is really good. So all the best, Aries. Definitely things are getting better for you. Just a thought that before taking any decision during this retrograde times, just see that you have assessed your financial situation, and then like if sometimes you might feel leaving your job which is not giving you satisfaction, just take a call after assessing your financial condition. So go face to face. Do not put everything quickly. It's just the time for planting a seed, and slowly it will grow into what you desire. So thank you so much. If you do like what I do, please like, share and subscribe.